Welcome student. This is Rahul Singh Maurya, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department and MLB Textile and Engineering College. Today's in this video we will study about temperature measurement devices, and in this category first we will see bimetallic strip. In previous video we studied about variable area meters, in which we finished pitot tube, and today's topic is bimetallic strip. A bimetallic strip is a temperature sensing device which converts the change in temperature into the mechanical displacement, and we can sense the change in temperature. The strip consists of two different strips of different materials. Generally we used metals which expand at different rates as they are heated. We know that all the metals having different thermal expansion coefficient, means they expand differently on same temperature change. These are the properties of the metals. So a bimetallic strip is cleared by its name. Means bimetallic means bi means two, metallics mean metal strip. So it is a strip of two metals which are joined together and used for measuring the temperature change. Yeah, these are two different strip of different metals, the blue one and the red one. They are bounded together in a form of twisted helical or spiral form, and they are joined together at one end by either welding or riveting, and it is bounded so strongly that there will not be any relative motion between the two strips. Means when the strip deflect, so both the metal strip will deflect same. A change in temperature causes the free end of the strip to expand or contract due to the different coefficient of expansion of the two metals. When we heated the end of the strip, and we know that both the strip are having different metals, so and we know that all the metals having different thermal expansion coefficient. So for the same heat input, both the metals will expand differently. For example, copper will expand more than iron, as we know that both the strips are joined together. So copper strip try to deflect, try to move more, and iron will try to back the copper strip. So in this, but they are joined together, so both will move with the same rate. So this movement is linear to change in the temperature, and the deflection of the free end can be read out by attaching a pointer to it. If we attach a pointer here, so depend on the change in the temperature, the deflection will shown by the end of this strip. And if we attach a pointer at the end, so pointer can read out the reading of the change in the temperature, and the reading will indicate the value of the temperature. And bimetallic strips are available in different form like helical, cantilever, spiral. These are the types of the bimetallic strip. Advantages of the bimetallic strips are that we can see that there is no need of power, external power, so no power is required. And as there is no moving part inside the bimetallic strip, so there is no maintenance required, and robust, easy to use and cheap, and can be used to measure up to 500 degree Celsius. Also there are some disadvantages of the bimetallic strips, that they are not very accurate. Means there are some tolerance. Means if there is change in the temperature from 30 to 30.5 degrees Celsius, then it is difficult to bimetallic strips to show the deflection or to measure this change. So they are not very accurate. And limited application where manual reading acceptable. Means we can't give digital reading, only the manuals readings are required, we can use bimetallic strips. And also not suitable for very low temperature because the expansion of metals tends to be similar, so device become a rather insensitive thermometer. So these are the disadvantages of the bimetallic. So in this video we studied about bimetallic strips. Thank you.